Good morning, everyone. Brent Wessler with PIF Technologies. Today's session is going to be on the Rossum IDP engine. Rossum's one of those new players in the market. We had some situation where we had some very difficult documents, primarily on the line items, which don't conform to a smart grid. We were able to get a quick trial of Rossum and the new Aurora line item generative AI components are pretty cool. So we uploaded a quick document here. As you can see in this particular case, the line items are quite unique. You don't have your typical smart grid, the subtotal and freight, as you can hear, associated with that purchase order is on a following line, whereas the total for the first line is down here. We were able to use the generative AI. So when you click on the line items, and you can add whatever columns you want, and we can come over to the suggest item piece, and you can see how it automatically extracted the data, which is pretty cool because the item subtotal is actually down here. It should be kind of up here. So, as a automation expert, I can't stand some of these companies and how they designed their invoices, and you can see how it automatically grabbed weight. Here it grabbed the next line. Now it's not getting freight, but what you can do is you can insert a line, and then you can say, hey, this is freight and the amount. So you could see here, we don't want it to do that, so we say delete on that. And you can see that it's picking this up. We don't want to pick that up. But after you've auto-learned it, it will look like this, where you kind of tell it where you need to look for this certain information, and then it accurately picks up that. So this new Aurora generative AI line item piece is pretty cool. You can see there's lots of different settings you can enable, but this Aurora for complex tables seems to work really well in difficult situations. Here's another example. Here we have essentially a line item that's actually like a block. So you can see here, this whole area is actually a line item. So you could see how it was able to pick up like the product up here, the quantity, billing, weight, and unit price right from here. And then like if it didn't get something, so you can see it highlighted, and it's not even a very good. And then you could see automatically when I finished the first line, it automatically filled in the second line. And you can see here, maybe it didn't get that right, so we can make that a little bit bigger. You can use bounding box, or you can actually just, as you see, highlight over that particular area. And you can see here, it makes that pattern, and it understands that the first row, once you train it, automatically select the second row. And then we go to the third page, you can see very similarly how that works. And it automatically will populate all of that pricing information. Go down to the third one here. Unit price will grab. When there is something like a price, you'll notice that the CWT portion of that gets removed because it knows that it's looking for currency. And then as you see here, autofills the total amount. So if you're looking for something, IDP product that has the auto learning with some really cool capabilities, I'd look at Rossum. Notice that you have this automation setting, so it does have a number of different integration engines. You can see here, they call them extensions. So you can see all the different items they have and can integrate with. Thank you for viewing the video today, and please like and subscribe for more.